Hello everyone, good morning to all. Welcome back to your science class. So dear students, today we are going to study about the chapter that is digestion and role of microbes. Okay, so this is your second part. In the last class we have discussed about the first point, that is recognize different sets and types of teeth in humans. Okay, in this concept we studied about only the sets of teeth. Okay, so in today's class we are going to study about the types of teeth in the humans. Okay, so let us start types of teeth. So before going to the types of teeth, already you know sets of teeth here. Which is the first set of teeth? The first set of teeth, they have 20 teeth, and those teeth are called as the milk teeth, or you can say temporary teeth, because these are temporary. Okay, so after some time they will fall. So after this, the second set of teeth will grow, and those set which contain 32 teeth, and those are called as the permanent teeth. They will not fall at all. So that's why these teeth are called as the permanent teeth. So after this, there will be a development of 4 teeth at the back of our mouth, and those are called as the wisdom teeth. There will be a development of 4 teeth at the back of our mouth, and those are called as the wisdom teeth. Okay, so this concept we learnt in the last class about milk teeth, permanent teeth and wisdom teeth. Okay, so in today's class we are going to discuss about the types of teeth. Here there are 4 types of teeth are there, and these 4 types of teeth, they have its own function. So we are going to study about these 4 types of teeth one by one and with their function. Which is the first type, that is, first we will see this: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. So these are the 4 types of the teeth. So which is the first one? That is incisors. Incisors, this is the first type of the teeth. See, you just touch your front teeth, front 2 teeth. Those teeth are called as the incisors. The front 2 teeth, the upside of our mouth, we have front 2 teeth, and those teeth are called as the incisors. These are front teeth, and they have 18 numbers. Incisors, they have 18 numbers. 4 are in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw. Okay, so already you know what is meaning of jaw. I have told in the last class only. Okay, see, these incisors are the front teeth. These have here 8 teeth. Incisors, they are 18 numbers. 4 are in upper jaw and 4 are in the lower jaw. And here they have a flat surface and sharp horizontal edge. See this picture on the upper side. See this upper side, which is flat surface, which is flat in nature, and you just see this lower surface, which is a horizontal edge. The upper surface is a flat, the upper part which is the flat surface, and this lower part which is the very sharp and horizontal edge. So this sharp and horizontal edge is help for the cutting our food, which helps for cutting our food. Here these incisors are called as the chisel shape. Chisel shape means sharp edge. So whatever this sharp edge teeth is there, that is called as the chisel shape, means pointed sharp edge. Is it? And this, because of this reason, because of sharp horizontal edge and the chisel shaped of this teeth, this help for cutting and biting the food. This sharp horizontal edge and the chisel shaped teeth which helps in the cutting and biting the food. Is it? So by seeing the picture you can identify which is our incisors teeth. Okay, if you touch your teeth inside your mouth, then you will know which is the incisors teeth. See in the picture, I will show you the set, that is, see, incisors. See the above teeth. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, these are called as the incisors. I have marked here the teeth, those are called as the incisors. 4. This is the upper jaw. This is called as the upper jaw and this is the lower jaw. Upper jaw has 4 teeth and lower jaw has 4 teeth, that are 1, 2, 3, 4. So these 4 are called as the here 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4. Upper jaw has 4 teeth, lower jaw has 4 teeth at the front. See, listen carefully. At the front of our mouth, we have here incisors. On the upper side, we have 4, and on the lower jaw, we have 4 teeth. 4 front teeth. That is 4 on upper jaw, 4 on lower jaw. Means totally how many here? 8. Is it? Here 8 teeth are there. Incisors are 8. Okay. So here, understood? So these are called as the incisors teeth. Next, understood what are incisors? These are the front teeth. They are 8 in numbers. 4 are in upper jaw, 4 are in lower jaw, and the upper surface, that is flat in nature, and the lower surface, that is sharp horizontal edge, and we can say that is the chisel shaped. Because of this sharp edge, this helps for the cutting and biting our food. Okay, so this is about the incisors. Hope you understood. Next, see canines. So these are the pointed teeth beside the incisors. So beside the incisors only these teeth are present. You just see the picture. Canine. Here see. Canine. See where are these are? These. You just see this picture. These are called as the canine. See these canine where they are present? Beside the incisors. Beside the incisors. So see the upper 4 teeth are called as the incisors. So after this, these canines are present. So here, how many teeth we have here in canine? They are 4 in number, 2 in upper jaw and 2 in lower jaw. 2 in upper jaw and 2 in lower jaw. So totally we have here 4 canines. See the picture, these sharp teeth. Sharp means see this point. It is sharp, no? Pointed, sharp. And because of this nature of canine teeth, which helps to tearing the food. So here the animals, those who are eating the flesh of other animals, they also have this type of teeth. Not only in human beings, in the animals like tiger, fox, all these animals, they eat flesh, no? So for tearing the flesh, they have canine teeth. Okay, so this is very sharp and this helps for the tearing the food. Okay, so this is about the canines. You just see the picture, that is see. So after incisors, canine is there. These are where how many numbers? 2 or 4? Yes, students, see here. So they are 4 in numbers, 2 in upper jaw, 2 in lower jaw. See here. These two, sorry. This one, and here this one and this one. So these are called as the canine teeth. Understood? So dear student, understood what is incisors and canine? The front 4 teeth, upper jaw, lower jaw. Upper jaw 4 front teeth, lower jaw 4 front teeth. Those are called as the incisors. And after incisors, beside the incisors, we have here canine. On the left side of incisors, 1 teeth. On the right side of incisors, we have 1 teeth. That is about upper jaw. What about lower jaw? On the beside of left side and right side, we have here canine teeth. Means totally we have here 4 canine teeth. Incisors 8. Sorry, incisors 8. 4 in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw. Canine, they have 4 in numbers, 2 in upper jaw and 2 in lower jaw. That is beside the incisors. Understood? So these are the 2 types of teeth. Next type, that is premolars. Next type, that is premolars. Behind the canine teeth lie the premolars. So after canine teeth, here premolars are there. Just see this picture. This is the picture of our premolar teeth. If you touch the teeth, you will find this premolar teeth. First, there will be a incisor 4 teeth. Front 4 teeth are incisors. After that, canine. After the canine, we have here premolars. Is it? And these premolars are 18 numbers. These premolars are 18 numbers. And those 4 in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw. And these teeth are flat in nature. See, these are flat in nature. Upper surface. These teeth have a flat surface on the upper side, not in lower side. On the upper side only it has the flat surface. And what is the help of these teeth? They help to crack, crush and chew the food. For cracking, for crushing the food and for chewing the food, these premolar teeth helps. Okay, so this is about the premolars. You just see in the picture. See, here these 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are called as the, yes, which is the first type teeth, that is incisors. Upper jaw contain 4, lower jaw contain 4. So after that canine they have 4 teeth. 4, that is this one, this side one, here one, here one. Upper jaw and lower jaw. Upper jaw contain 2 canine, lower jaw contain 2 canine. That is beside the incisors. That is beside the incisors. So after that premolars. After that premolars. See, premolars which is present behind the canine. So after this canine, here premolars. They are 8 in numbers. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry. See here. They are 8 in numbers. 4 in upper jaw, 4 in lower jaw. Means on the upper side 4 means this side 2, this side 2. Here 2 and in lower jaw 2. Means on the upper jaw we have 4 teeth, on the lower jaw we have 4 premolars. Understood? The middle 4 are incisors. After that the beside teeth are called as the canine. So after canine, premolars. Behind the canine, which teeth there? Premolars. Okay. So this is about the 3 type of the teeth. Next we will see the 4th type, that is molars. Already you know premolars. Now we will see molars here. Here they are present behind the premolars. First there will be a incisors, after that canines, after that premolars, and behind the premolars here molars. These are present behind the premolars. And here there are 12 in numbers. These molars are 12 in numbers. 6 in the upper jaw, 6 in the lower jaw. See, upper jaw which contain 6 molars and lower jaw which contain 6 molars. And like premolars, here molars also which has the upper surface as the flat surface. Like premolars, molars also have here surface flat which has the flat surface. And this help in the chewing and grinding the food. This helps for the chewing and grinding the food. Is it? And out of this 12, I have told out of 12 molars, 6 are present in upper jaw, 6 are present in lower jaw. So out of these 12, the 4 molars which are later called as the wisdom teeth. Out of 4 molars, in that 4 I just show in the diagram. You just remember, out of this 12, 4 molars which later they grow. Okay, after 17 years, after 20 years they will grow, and those teeth are called as the wisdom teeth. I have told what are wisdom teeth. Okay, so they grow after 17 or 18 or 20 years above. Okay, and those 4 teeth are called as the, those 4 molar teeth are called as the wisdom teeth. Okay, so see the picture, that is the picture of diagram of molars. Okay, hope you understood these 4 type of teeth. Okay, okay, now I will see once again the brief introduction about the types of teeth. See here, first 4 teeth are called as the incisors. How many teeth they have? They have 8 number. Incisors are 18 numbers, 4 on upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw. There is 1, 2, 3, 4. Incisors, they are 18 numbers, 4 are in upper jaw, 4 are in lower jaw. I have shown. After that, beside these, canine. Canine, how many numbers? They are 4 in number. 4 in number. 2 in upper jaw, 2 in lower jaw. Beside the incisors. So this round mark which shows the canine. This and this. These are called as the canine teeth. Incisors 18 numbers, 4 in upper jaw, 4 in lower jaw. Canine 4 in numbers, 2 in upper jaw, 2 in lower jaw. So beside this, or you can say behind the canine, or you can say beside the premolars. Sorry, beside the canine there will be a presence of premolars, and these premolars are 18 numbers. Premolars are 18 numbers. See, 18 numbers means 4 upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 in upper jaw. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are called as the molars. Sorry, premolars. Premolars are 18 numbers, 4 in upper jaw, 4 in lower jaw. You just see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 in upper jaw finished. After this, this one, this and this. These are 4 in lower jaw. These are called as the premolars. After that, molars. Molars are present just behind the premolars, and these are 12 in numbers. 6 are in upper jaw, 6 are in lower jaw. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry. So I'll erase these all. Will get confused. Okay. Last type, that is molars. They are 12 in number, 6 in the upper jaw and 6 in the lower jaw. It means on the left side 1, 2, 3. On the right side 1, 2, 3. Here lower side 1, 2, 3. This side 1, 2, 3. So these are called as the molars. 6 on the upper jaw and 6 on the lower jaw. So after this what happens? Out of these 12 molars, 4 molars which grow later on. Which grow later on means when between the age of 17 and 25 years. Between the age of 17 and 25 years there will be a development of wisdom teeth, and those wisdom teeth are nothing but molars only. But here those molars they develop later on. See, molars are 12 in numbers. So out of 12, 6 in upper side, 6 in lower jaw and 6 in upper jaw. So out of these, here 4 molars are there, means 2 in upper jaw, 2 in lower jaw, means total 4. These 4 molars, they develop later on. Later on means between the age of 17 to 25. Between the age of 17 to 25, these 4 molars, they grow. Listen carefully. Between the age of 17 and 25, these 4 molars, they grow later on, and those molars are called as the wisdom teeth. Okay, you already studied about wisdom teeth. They develop between the age of 17 to 25. How many teeth? 4. Between the age of 70 to 25, there will be a development of 4 molars teeth, and those 4 molar teeth are called as the wisdom teeth. Okay, so this is the diagram which is showing the types of teeth. So in today's class, we have studied about the types of teeth. How many types? Incisors, canines, premolars, molar. Canine which contain 8 number, 4 are in upper jaw, 4 are in lower jaw. Canines which is present beside the incisors, they have 4 in numbers, 2 in upper jaw, 2 in lower jaw. Okay, and premolars which are present behind the canines, and they are 8 in numbers, 4 in upper jaw, 4 in lower jaw. After this, behind the premolars, molars are there. These molars are 12 in number, 6 in upper jaw, 6 in lower jaw. So out of these 12, 4 molars, that is 2 in upper jaw and 2 in lower jaw. These 4 molars, they develop between the age of 17 and 25. They develop between the age of 17 to 25, and those are called as the wisdom teeth. Understood? Those are called as the wisdom teeth, and this is the diagram which is showing the types of teeth. Understood? So now we will stop here only. So before going to stopping this class, we will saw here horse. So why do flesh eating animals have big canines? I have told while explaining the canine teeth. Canine, they are sharp in nature, which is help to tear the food. Okay, but in the flesh eating animals, they have big canines. Big canine means those canines have the sharp edge, and by using those canines, those animals, they tear the flesh. Why? Because to tear the flesh of other animals, the flesh eating animals, they have the big canines. Okay, this is the one thing. Next, the third molars are known as the wisdom teeth. I have told the first molars, they are called as the molars only. When these molars, they develop between the age of 17 to 85. When the 4 molars, I have told the 4 molars, they develop between the age of 17 to 25. Those are called as the wisdom teeth. Okay, so that's why their teeth are called as the wisdom teeth. So this is about the today's class. Hope you understood what are the types of molars and how they are in nature, what are the help of those teeth, and also you understood the structure of this teeth. Okay, this is very important. Remember it. If you have any confusion regarding this chapter or this class, you can contact me. I will solve your problem as soon as possible. So thank you dear students. We will meet in the next class. So in the next class, we are going to study about the structure of tooth. Okay, so this is only the types of teeth. Next we will see how the structure of teeth is there. Okay, so that we will study in the next class. Till that dear students, bye bye, take care, have a nice day.